What's happening, guys? Well, as you can see, I believe we might have a blizzard on our hands. Blizzard 2021? Sponsored by Bernie Sanders. Oh, damn. Freaking awesome, though. Super cool. I'll let you watch a little bit. So we're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches, an inch an hour tonight. It's already drifting like crazy. Wind's supposed to pick up. So it could very likely be like 1978 blizzard. I love snow. I think it's pretty cool. Well, we'll find out tomorrow, huh? I'll try to do some footage tomorrow so you guys can see. But I have a funny feeling tomorrow's gonna be nasty. We got a long driveway, so probably be plowing tomorrow morning. So maybe I'll do some video of that. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon.